it's your girl Brianna Marie, and I'm back with another tutorial. I know it's been hella long since I did one, but I'm back and we are gonna be doing things a little bit more consistently. So let's go ahead and start off with these brows. Y'all see how trash they look. I've moved to a new area and I have not found a new waxer yet. So what we're gonna use is the Anastasia Brow Freeze. And it's like a gel for your brows, and it's gonna hold all my hairs in place. Now I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in dark brown. I'm just gonna go ahead and outline my brows and fill them in. It's time to clean these brows up. I'm using a super light concealer to go ahead and carve my brows out at the bottom. It is super light because we're going to be using colors and we want the colors to pop. Now I'm using my Morphe M173 brush to go ahead and blend this concealer out before we go ahead and start placing the shadow on top. Today we're going to be using two palettes, the Matte Book from the Crayon case, which is one of my favorite palettes to use, and then we're going to be using the Icy Baby from Morphe as well. I'm just taking each color and packing it on there before I start blending them together. The base is still semi-wet, so I don't want to drag the shadow yet. I want to pack everything on and then slowly blend everything into each other. Now that everything's placed and blended, I am going to take a small angled brush with some Vaseline and I'm going to carve out that negative space that I'm going to be using for my glitter liner and my rhinestones. Now that the Vaseline is on there, I'm taking a clean Q-tip and we're going to go ahead and remove all the Vaseline that we placed. Now let's get into this glitter liner. I am using my Duo Lash Glue and I'm just placing the glue where I want to place my glitter. Today I'm going to be using the Periwinkle liner from Beats by Deb Cosmetics. Okay, y'all, let's get to this face. I use two separate primers because y'all know I have combination skin. I use the Benefit Pore Fessional primer where my pores are most visible and where I'm most oily. And then I use the Dermablend Insta-Grip Jelly Primer on the rest of my face. So I do have a new foundation routine. I do start off by going ahead and laying down my concealer and my contour and only placing foundation where I need it. It's been a game changer for me. If y'all know Too Faced Born This Way, y'all know it's not cheap, so it does help me out with saving a little bit of coin and saving some product. And once I lay down the concealer, I go ahead and blend it out. And then I go in with my contour shade and I go ahead and blend that out as well. And then we proceed into blending everything together and putting my foundation on and the whole nine. In order for this technique to work, you have to really blend until your hand falls off. I spend so much time blending. It's like one of the longest things that I do in my makeup routine, as you can see. Now that everything's blended, we're gonna go ahead and set everything with powder. I am using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in honey for the places where I use my concealer. Contour, I'm using the Morphe Glamour Bronze in Trailblazer. Everywhere where I place that contour shade, it's gonna be set with this bronzer. Now let's set my foundation areas. I am using the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation from MAC. My shade is NC45. And we're just gonna press this into my skin and start blending everything together again. Yes, do y'all see this glow? I love this highlighter, y'all. I love it, I love it. Link will be at the bottom. And boom, do y'all see this face? Beat, honey, yes. Let's go ahead and undo these rollers and check out the final look. Guess I'm unloyal, baby. And I do want to thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and go ahead and turn on your post notifications. This is your girl, Brianna Marie, and I'm out.